Welcome to our Splunk SPL series. Today we're exploring the pow command, which stands for power or exponentiation. This mathematical function allows you to raise numbers to specified powers for exponential calculations. The pow command is essential when you need to perform advanced mathematical operations on your data, such as calculating compound growth, areas, volumes, or any scenario where you need to multiply a number by itself multiple times. The basic syntax of the pow command is straightforward. You write pow followed by parentheses containing two parameters, x and y. The x represents your base number, and y represents the exponent or power. This translates to x raised to the power of y, which equals your result. The mathematical notation would be x to the power of y equals the result. Let's break down the two parameters of the pow command. The first parameter, x, is your base number. This can be either a field name from your data or a specific numeric value. The second parameter, y, is the exponent, the power to which you want to raise the base number. Like the base, the exponent can also be a field name or a direct numeric value. Here's a simple example to demonstrate how pow works. We use the eval command to create a new field called result, and set it equal to pow of 2, 3. This calculates 2 to the power of 3, which equals 8. So our result field will contain the value 8. This shows the basic structure of using pow within an eval statement. The pow command becomes more powerful when working with field values from your data. In the first example, we calculate the square of a price field by using pow with price and 2. In the second example, we calculate the cube of a volume field using pow with volume and 3. The third example shows using two field values together, base underscore value raised to the power of exponent underscore field. This flexibility allows you to perform dynamic calculations based on your actual data. The pow command has many practical applications. For mathematical purposes, you can use it for area calculations, growth rate analysis, and statistical computations. In data processing scenarios, it's valuable for calculating performance metrics, scaling values proportionally, and working with logarithmic scales. These use cases make pow an essential tool for financial calculations, scientific data analysis, and business intelligence reporting. Let's look at a real-world example. The first calculation demonstrates compound interest using the formula principal multiplied by 1 plus rate, raised to the power of years. The second example calculates the area of a circle by taking the radius to the power of 2 and multiplying by pi. These examples show how pow integrates with other mathematical operations to solve complex business problems. To summarize the important aspects of the pow command, it returns numeric results that you can use in further calculations. It works seamlessly with both field names and direct values. The command handles negative exponents for fractional results and supports fractional powers for roots and advanced mathematics. Remember to always use pow within an eval command statement. The syntax remains consistent, pow of x, y. Master these concepts, and you'll be able to perform sophisticated exponential calculations in your Splunk searches. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.